What's up, the John Squad? This is John Pillini here on YouTube, and happy Sunday, the John Squad. That's right, and Smile More Sunday. And guess what? Today, I'm going to show you what I got from the Smile More store, and I think I know you all think this is because I'm going to show you what I got from the Smile More store. You know, if you've ever heard of Roman Atwood, I'm such a huge fan of him, so let's get this packaging open. Trying to be careful with it because I love the packaging. So here we go. Came with a piece of paper, a slip right here. So one of the girls in the Smile More store probably signed it off. So let's get it open, shall we? Here it is. It's the Roman Atwood fidget spinner right here. The Smile More fidget spinner, Roman Atwood. Here we go. Gonna unbox it. This is awesome. Here it is. Right here, up close. I'm going to pull the tag off. I'm actually going to keep this tag because I love it. Smile More. I'm going to put it back in the little baggie. Keep it, and this is what it looks like. Smile More. The number I got right here out of 5,000. It says, wow, that's an awesome number. 3,765. Smile More, it says. And it has Roman Atwood's signature right there. How awesome is that now? How awesome is this? That's just awesome. Look how long it spins for. That is just sick. Wow, awesome. Well, I got the Smile More fidget spinner, and I think that this is just awesome. Once again, the John Squad, please like this video, leave your comment down below, and subscribe for more if you love Roman Atwood, and like this video for more fidgets, and subscribe for more. Peace out, the John Squad.